This video is about how to manage streets and scenarios. So here I have two scenarios. I've got a concept for a boulevard and my existing conditions down here. So to manage streets, I'm going to go to this My Street space. And it shows the streets that I have in this project as well as the alternatives that I have in each street. So to get started, I want to show you a few things that can be done. So I'm going to take my boulevard and make a copy of that. So I push this copy button. Boulevard Alt1 copy. So I'll just call this Alt2. Street plan can only show two scenarios at the same time on the screen. So whenever you have three scenarios, it says drag anything in the third position or below up to position 1 or 2 if you want to be able to see it. So I'm going to move that Alt2 up to here. And then I'm going to change some of the attributes. So my street, I'm not going to call it that anymore. I'm going to call it Washington Boulevard. And point A to point B is fine. It's got intersection type left side, right side. You can put labels on it so that if the left side is actually the east side for your case, then you can put east and west and it'll show labels on there. Boulevard Alt2, that's fine. Situation type not. I'm just planning this one, and I'll show you this in a minute. So then when I think I'm done with that, I can close out. And street plan will redraw with the alternative 2 that I made, which is an exact copy of alternative 1 at the moment. And then I can start changing some things about alternative 2. So in this case, I just wanted to show a different alternative for the median. So going back now, I want to make a second street that has all three alternatives in it, similar to this. So I would do copy street and go ahead and say done. Now I have Washington Boulevard a copy, and I'm going to just say this is the same as Washington Boulevard from point B to point C. I can also add a street or an alternative from a template. So if I hit the template button and launch this template window, it takes me to this dialog where I can see a lot of different options. So I'm going to hit right click copy, done, right click paste, done.